bowing to passing cars, desperately seeking help. Most people drove away, scared of being hurt. But one family stopped and rolled down their window, only to find the elk's tears had dried. Following the elk into the forest, they discovered it was pleading for help for its trapped friend. Without hesitation, they jumped into action, trying everything to save the other elk from the swamp's deadly grip. After hours of effort, they succeeded, pulling the elk from the clutches of death. And you still didn't like this video yet?